Hi everybody, and welcome to Trains Tuesday. So today I thought I'd have a bit of a go at just painting the interior of one of these New York Central carriages that was on the 20th Century Limited, being pulled by the Dreyfus Hudson last week. So yeah, I thought I'd have a go at painting it out. Now, I have already got it out. It wasn't easy, but I've got the interior out and into a few pieces so that I can paint them. And I have actually primed it up because the original colour was that sort of yellow interior. So I've just primed it up in red, and we'll see how we get on. So this unit is made up of the kitchen facility down this end, some toilets and some showers and some beds. Now I've already had to print a couple of little pillows to put on the bed. You might see there, and I'll paint those up later. The rest of the cupboard work and that is all here, ready to go in. First thing I do is just paint these bedspreads blue and stainless steel kitchen bench here. So I'll paint those up first. So we've progressed on quite well. Still got a little bit more to do. Got the beds done, a few other things, just got to tidy it up. I'm not happy with the yellow, it's not coming through too well. Doesn't look good either. So I'm just going to change it to the grey that's on this end. So there it is, painted up, ready to be put back together. Have some people put in there, so next week we'll have a look at painting some people, putting it back together and putting it into back into the carriage. So I hope you enjoyed that. Hope to see you next week. Farewell for now. Bye.